English Anyone, Lesson 5, Feelings and to be. Feelings. Hello. Listen. Happy. Happy. Sad. Sad. Hot. Hot. Cold. Cold. Tired. Tired. Scared. Scared. Angry. Angry. Pronouns and to be. I am happy. I am happy. He is happy. He is happy. She is happy. Happy, happy. She is happy. Happy, happy. We are happy. We are happy. They are happy. Happy, happy. They are happy. Happy, happy. Questions. Are you cold? No, I am not. Are you hot? No, I am not. Are you sad? No, I am not. Are you happy? Yes, I am. You are happy. He is happy.
Синий трактор представляет
Ворона! Георгий Фронт і м'який знак. Електрический. Ю-ю-ю-ю-ю-юла. Я-я-я-я-яблоко. Это нами покажет, что надо. Кто-то знает, кто-то знает, кто-то знает, кто-то знает. Это нами покажет, слова
Good morning. I'm Amanda Hobson, your new English teacher. Please put your bags down and stop talking. Everybody ready? When I call your name, say hair and add something about yourself. Try to think of things the other students don't know yet. Let's get started. Max Cooper.
Here, we moved house last summer.
Alice Green.
Here, I had my birthday yesterday.
Ellie Hall.
Here, I took up a new hobby.
Lucas King.
He's absent. He's in hospital.
Adela Parker.
Adele is absent too.
Patrick Robinson.
Here, I saw Bob on Saturday night.
Ella White.
Here, I went on a family trip last weekend.
Thank you. That's great. By the way, did I name everybody?
I wasn't on the list. I am Elizabeth. I am new English.
Oh, okay, Elizabeth. I read out last year list. Miss Blake, your previous teacher, sent it to me. You are definitely on this year list. It's ready in the school office. Ike, now tell us your name again, please.
Elizabeth Locke.
That's South Estonia, am I right?
Oh yes, I am from the north of Estonia.
Please spell your name so that I can write it down. Elispetlock. Thank you, and now everybody, let's have a spelling bee.
Röösik priatsed mohkol pak, rakpõr negros talkak mak.
Hruš was joleit baiske šuk, velbal jot našest bez ruk.
Fora možet sitta ljet, volkavce plahoj sasjed.
Junga mojet joi karaabel, juura kleejed dirižaabel.
Jos pood jolko judivion, jolkas iiglami i on.
Mõskledit nabatalok, muha svarissa trusok. Aistvan para, seadikas vetjot, aistvan para paho.
Effi ööbe varjet supp, Eskimos chassit bet šup.
On the road again.
A father and his son take their donkey to the market.
Life I love is making music with my friend. I can't wait to get on the road again.
You are stupid. Why to walk? You can ride the donkey.
Going places,
Get on the donkey.
seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again.
You are not very kind. You ride the donkey and you leave it on home. Okay, I will get off the donkey and you get on the donkey.
It's just that the world keeps turning our way, and our way. On the road again.
You are not very nice to your father. You ride and he walks. Okay, get on the donkey again.
With my friend, I can't wait to get on the road again.
Is this your donkey? Are you crazy? Two people. You are very heavy. The donkey is nearly dead. Okay, let's get off the donkey. Are you going to the market? Hurry the donkey. It is very tired.
So father and his son carried the donkey. In the market everybody laughs, they don't want to buy the donkey.
It's a very lazy donkey. You are carrying it to the market. We don't want to buy a lazy donkey.
Road again. The life I love is making music with my friend, and I can't.
Little Red Riding Hood greeted him, and the wolf asked, "Where are you going, Little Red Riding Hood?" "To my grandma's house," answered Little Red Riding Hood. "Can you tell me where your grandma lives?" "She lives in a little cottage at the edge of the forest." "Why don't you pick some nice flowers for her?" asked the wolf. "That's a good idea," answered Little Red Riding Hood and began looking for flowers. Meanwhile, the wolf was on his way to Grandma's house. The house was quite small, but nice, and its roof was made out of straw. The wolf went inside. "It's me." He saw a poor old grandma. After that, he put Grandma's clothes on and lay down in her bed. Some time later, Little Red Riding Hood came to the little cottage. She was shocked by the sight of her grandma. "Oh, Grandma, what big eyes, hands, and mouth you have got!" There, the wolf jumped out of the bed and swallowed her too. Then he lay down again and fell asleep. Soon, the hunters passed by Grandma's house. They heard somebody snoring and went inside. There they saw the wolf, and then they saw the wolf's big belly. So the hunters took out their knife and cut the wolf's belly open. Out came Little Red Riding Hood and her grandma. "Thank you for saving us," said the girl. Then all of them went to fetch some stones and put them in the wolf's belly. Soon the wolf woke up. He was very thirsty and went to the well in the garden to get some water. But the stones in his belly were too heavy and pulled him down into the well. Grandma, the hunters, and Little Red Riding Hood were happy and ate their cake. But in the well, the wolf thought, "Why do such things always happen to me?"
Vabandage, kas te teate, kus piletimüük on?
Excuse me, can I help you?
Jah, mul läks vaja kähku piletid Eestis, kas te teate, kus piletimüük on?
I beg your pardon, I don't need what you mean about piletimüük.
Me only speak little inglise tongue. Sorry. Bye.
Very strange person.
Hello. Да, это я, мама. Да, мама. Нет, нет. Okei, все. Kas te teate, kus piletimüük on? Piletimüük. Piletimüük. Vabandust ja mitte teadnud. Vabandust. Okei, vabandust, segast.
Mulla.
Rootsikeelne halb sõna.
Keetavalt vaata.
Miks sa seda tegid?
Seal on klaare.
Hallo, vasta.
Pratar med mig.
Kas te räägite minuga?
Osa.
Mida?
No niin porta.
Vahet pole.
Come on.
Kuidas on?
Come on.
Ma ei saa aru. Ma olen Kurt.
Mis see su?
Te olete Kurt? Ma ei saa aru. Kas sa oled prantslane?
Vabandust, kas te teate, kus piletimüük on?
Mida?
Kas te teate, kus piletimüük on? Ei ole ükski maa, ainult Eesti maa ja lennujaamas.
Let's keep calm and shut up, okay?
Teate, üks piletimüük, mul pole kähku piletid Eestisse, palun aidake mind. Mamma mia.
Let's all just calm down and have some tea and cookies, alright?
Lappaneminen.
Kus mu MP3 on?
Bla, bla, bla.
saan aru.
no näed, täde.
Kohe öel nüüd siis.
Okay, I do it now. Thanks. Lõpuks ometi peavad piletid nüüd.
Loodame, et keegi ei solvunud näidandi sisu pärast. Kõik oli mõeldud naljaga ja me ei väida, et need rahvused niimoodi käituvad. Kasutasime stereotüüpe ja oleme tänulikud Google Translate'ile. Ja kõik laulavad kaasa.
Let's go party. Come on Barbie, let's go party. Come on Barbie, let's go party.
Yeah, laulame kaasa.
Let's go party. Come jump in, pretty friend, let us do it again. In the town full around, let's go party.
You can dance, you can play, if you say, I'm
dial 911 because she can't find the number 11.
Man goes to the doctor with burns on both of his ears. What happened? The doctor asked. I received a phone call and instead of picking it up, I answered it with the iron. And what about the other ear? I tried to call for an ambulance.
A Scots boy came home from school and told his mother that he had got the part in the school play. Wonderful, said the mother. What part is it? The boy says, I play the part of the Scottish husband. The mother scowls and says, go back and tell your teacher you want a speaking part.
Teacher, why are you late? Student, there was a man who lost a $100 bill. Teacher, that's nice. Were you helping him to look for it? Student, no, I was standing on it.
How was school today, Patrick?
It was really great, Mom. Today we made explosives.
Oh, they do very fancy stuff with you these days. And what will you do at school tomorrow?
What school?
A mother sees her son watching television and says, Jimmy, I thought I told you to do the dishes after you've done your homework. Jimmy replies, don't worry, Mom, I haven't done my homework yet.
Teacher, why are you late? Student, because of the sign. Teacher, what sign? Student, the one that says, school ahead, go slow.
I have the perfect son.
Does he smoke?
No, he doesn't.
Does he drink whiskey?
No, he doesn't.
Does he ever come late?
No, he doesn't.
I guess you really do have the perfect son. How old is he?
He will be 6 months old next Wednesday.
You will be a good dancer except for 2 things. What are the 2 things? Your feet.
Oh, I'm gonna have a fun. E-I-E-I-O. And English gonna have a cow. E-I-E-I-O. The moo head, the moo tail, the moo hole, and gonna have a fun. E-I-E-I-O. Gonna have a fun. E-I-E-I-O. And English gonna have a poo. E-I-E-I-O. The wee, you know, there, and you will always go, and gonna have a fun. E-I-E-I-O. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and Kingston had a duck, E-I-E-I-O, the quack quack king, the quack quack tail, the black tail, the quack quack, oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and in his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O, the neigh-neigh, the neigh-neigh, the neigh-neigh, oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and in his hand he had a lamb, E-I-E-I-O, the ba-ba here, the ba-ba there, the ba-ba, the ba-ba, oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and in his farm he had some chickens, E-I-E-I-O, the black here, the black there, the black, the black here, the ba-ba there, the black, the black, moo here, the moo there, the moo, everyone a room, the wind there, the wind there, everyone a room, the neigh-neigh here, the neigh-neigh there, the neigh-neigh, everyone a neigh, the ba-ba here, the ba-ba there, the ba, everyone a ba-ba, oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. say hi, choo choo choo. Una donna machinista, io sapevi ratata, ratata, ratata. Ona je tam pojeste, snaješ lik, co jehali. Byli tam lizoški na mizoški, jehali bez domov, byli sorti idiota, byli sorti čukasti, byli jeba večiški, jehali še vesela, da. Byli stare legose, stare jega smelije, jehali karjapjula, doneste hađućuću, pokatona mašinista, jo zapeli ratata, mašinista pukaća. Ой, ай, что же будет поездкой? Поезд ехать, руки конец и ой, ай, не поехали домой. Ой, ай, не поехали домой. Ой, ай, не поехали домой.
Hello, everyone. Come on, put your hands together for yourself. You guys are so amazing. You're so amazing. You guys look so beautiful and handsome. And I would like to say that it's a privilege to be here this afternoon speaking to this lovely congregation. Once again, let's put our hands together for ourselves. Great. I love that. My name is God's Will. And in Estonia, it's called Jumala Tahe. And I came from Nigeria. I'm a student in Tallinn University of Technology. I'm a student at Tallinn University of Technology. And I'm a PhD student. I'm studying for my PhD program. I'm in my 3rd year, so I'll be rounding up next year. I've been in Estonia for 5 years, and it's really been amazing living in Estonia. I have my friends as well here with me. We're all students, and we're all from Nigeria. We love to sing, we love to make people happy, and we hope that as we sing this afternoon, you're going to enjoy our music. And if you think you want to shout, you want to scream, you want to be happy, you want to dance, stand up, feel free to do that. I know in Estonia people can be very quiet, but I think you guys are so amazing. I'm sure you'll be quiet. So we're going to be singing 3 songs, and 2 of them is going to be in Nigerian language. Probably you haven't heard them before. And 1 of them is going to be in English, but it's also African. Thank you. Okay, so the first song says, Bo. Bo, oh, àwọn áńgẹ́lì tí ń kọrin. Bo, oh, àwọn áńgẹ́lì tí ń kọrin. Wọ́n ń kọrin ògo, ògo. Wọ́n ń kọrin ẹ̀yẹ, ẹ̀yẹ. Wọ́n ń kọrin ògo, ògo. Wọ́n ń kọrin ẹ̀yẹ, ẹ̀yẹ. Gbọ́ ohùn àwọn áńgẹ́lì tí ń kọrin. Ṣé o ti sẹ́? Gbọ́ ohùn àwọn áńgẹ́lì tí ń kọrin. Gbọ́ ohùn àwọn áńgẹ́lì tí ń kọrin. Wọ́n kọrin ògo, ògo. Wọ́n kọrin ẹ̀yẹ, ẹ̀yẹ. Wọ́n go. One Corey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Go, oh, I want get one Corey, go. One Corey, go, go. One Corey, yeah, yeah. One Corey, go, go. One Corey, yeah, yeah. Go, oh, how I get it go. Go, oh. Thank you. The next song says, one love keeping us together. Whether you are African or you are Estonian, we are together, right? Yeah. Great.
It's a struggle to stay alive.
Nigerian song called Nigeria. And if you don't understand, you can just shake your body. Weko wuye, ogene. Yeah, 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 weko wuye. Yeah, 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 weko wuye. Yeah, 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 weko wuye, ogene. Weko wuye, ogene. Yeah, 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 weko wuye. Yeah, 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 weko wuye. Yeah, 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 weko wuye, ogene.
Ich weiß, mein
strong back in. Ein bisschen Frieden, ein bisschen Sonne für diese Erde, auf der wir wohnen. Ein bisschen Frieden, ein bisschen Freude, ein bisschen Wärme, das wünsch ich mir. Ein bisschen Frieden, ein bisschen Träume und dass die Menschen nicht so aufweinen. Ein bisschen Frieden, ein bisschen Liebe, dass ich die Hoffnung nie mehr verliere. Ein bisschen Frieden, ein bisschen Sonne für diese Erde, auf der wir wohnen. Ein bisschen Frieden, ein bisschen Freude, ein bisschen Wärme, das wünsch ich mir. Ein bisschen Frieden, ein bisschen Träume und dass die Menschen nicht so aufweinen. Ein bisschen Frieden, ein bisschen Liebe, dass ich die Hoffnung nie mehr verliere.
I miss you! Oh no. We're Sophie and Lisa, we're the greatest business mates. I'm tough, I'm tall, I'm tiny, and we're gonna rock this place. Sophie, it's beautiful. I want one. Kitty Bell didn't say. I'm getting married tomorrow, and I have a secret, and I can't tell anybody else. Sophie, you're not up? No. I invited my dad to my wedding. What? You are joking. You found me last? No. Not exactly. Okay. You know, when I asked my mom about my father, she always said that it was just a summer romance and he'd gone long before she knew she was expecting me. And I'm kinda okay with that. But look what I found from my mom's desk. It's a diary she kept the year she was pregnant with me. Sophie! She wants a big white wedding and she and Sky are making all kinds of different plans for the hotel. Sometimes I think they'll never leave. Yeah, but do you really want her to? Well, I want what's best for her. Of course not. Sky, come in my backup, girls. He's the leading man at tomorrow's shindig.
The lucky man. Hello, you must be Rosie.
I am.
How are you?
Very well.
And you must be Tanya. I heard so much about you.
Well, all bad, I hope.
Yes.
And all true.
Donna, let me get them.
nauseous every time I see you. You do.
I bet you don't remember me.
Not without the plastic surgery.
Of course I do, Auntie Tanya. You haven't changed at all. I'm so happy for you.
Look at my baby. Her whole life ahead of her. Okay, let's go inside. I'll show you the rooms.
Ooh, thanks. Hi, can I help you?
I'm Bill Anderson.
Bill Anderson?
I'm Pride. Harry Pride.
Harry? So you must be...
Sam Carmichael. Are you expecting us?
Yeah, I am. Wait here, I'll get the keys.
Wait, hold on. You're Donna's daughter?
Yeah.
Where is Donna? I'd like to thank her for the invitations.
No, I think you mustn't. You're a secret and I sent invitations.
Wait, hold on. The last time I saw Donna, she told me she never ever wanted to see me again.
Well, that was years ago. I don't want you to be here.
Why?
Because I'm getting married. Just wait here and stay quiet.
Donna!
Bill?
Hi, Donna!
Harry?
Hi!
You? What are you all doing here?
I'm doing an article for the magazines.
I'm here for spontaneous holiday.
I just dropped in to say hi.
Wait, what is this? Who said you could stay up in my old goat house?
Didn't catch the name.
Some Greek lady.
Yeah. Well, she spoke Greek.
Yeah, or maybe she said we couldn't stay in the old goat house. Yes, maybe that was it in Greek.
Yes, that was it, because I can't stay here. I'm closed, I'm full, and I'm busy, really busy.
Donna, don't worry about us.
It's good to
see you.
Where's Sophie?
I haven't seen her. Why?
I must find her.
What happened?
It's her dad.
Who's that?
Sophie's. Remember when I said it was Sam? Well, I'm not sure it was him because there were two other guys around at the same time.
Donna Sheridan, you shady lady.
Why didn't you tell us?
I never thought I'd have to. I never imagined I'd see all three of them in my goat house the day before my daughter's wedding.
Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure. Do you think I would forget my daughter's dads? They were all here. Sam, Bill, and Harry. I think it's sort of like fate serves me right.
You sound just like your mother.
I do not.
You do. Whatever happened to your Donna? Life and soul of the party and rock chick supremo.
I grew up.
Well then grow back down again. Screw them!
summer, I still see it all. Walks along the Seine, laughing in the rain. Our lost summer, memories that remain. We made our way along the river and we sat down in the grass by the Eiffel Tower. I was so happy we had met. It was the age of no regret. Oh yes, those crazy years, that was the time of the flower power. But underneath, we had a fear of flying, of growing old, a fear of slowly dying. We took a chance, like we were dancing our last dance. I can still recall our last summer. I still see it all in the forest jam around the Notre Dame. Our last summer, walking hand in hand, Paris restaurants. Our last summer, morning croissants, living for the day, Paris far away.
Excuse me, hello. This is a hen party, woman only.
Aren't we supposed to be getting dressed? Where's Helen and Lisa? I thought they were gonna help you.
Will you help me?
Yeah. Wait, hold on, we have time.
School bag in hand, she leaves home in the early morning, waving goodbye with an absent-minded smile. I tremble with a surge of that well-known sadness, and I have to sit down for a while. The feeling that I
you have done. I mean, the dynamos, raising a kid, and running a business all on your own.
You know, I couldn't have had it any other way. Because, you know, when I got pregnant, my mother told me never to bother coming back. And I wouldn't have had it any other way. My God, look at what we have had.
Really give me a way?
Yeah.
Donna, I need to talk about the one who is giving Sophie away.
That will be me.
But what about her dad?
Her dad's in here.
That's what she wants. She wants her father to be here. What if her father wants to do?
What? Don't do this right now. I can't hear this.
Donna, here you are. She's here. The panic is over.
I love you. Shall we go?
Welcome to Sophie and Sky, and to all friends gathered together this evening. And welcome especially to Donna, who represents your family. We are all here together in this glorious...
And welcome to Sophie's dad. I have to tell you, he's here.
I know that. I invited him.
But you couldn't have. I don't know which one it is. Oh, that's why they're all here.
Am I getting this right? Sophie may be mine, but she may also be Bill's or Harry's?
Yep, you got it.
You know, I don't really care who is my dad, but I know what I really want. Sky, let's just not get married yet.
What?
You never wanted this anyway. I mean, let's just get off this island and see the world, okay? All right?
Sophie, I love you. Donna, do I take the wedding is cancelled?
I'm not entirely sure what's going on right now.
Wait, hold on. Well, I waste a perfectly good wedding. How about it, Sheridan? Will you be my wife? You're going to meet someone who's around on this island of yours.
Say I do. I do, I do, I do, I do, I do.
I do.
I now pronounce you man and wife.